Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do, I guess it's an unbagging, not an unboxing. So I have been pretty good about my no buy. I've broken a couple times, and I broke during the AliExpress 11/11 sale. So you might be seeing some more unbaggings or unboxings in the future. But this one is actually, because I don't have anything else that should have gotten to me, this should be the freebie I won on AliExpress. I don't know if everyone knows about freebies on AliExpress. I didn't know about it until I saw a video from K Diamond Paints that said she won a freebie on AliExpress, and I'm like, what is that? I go on AliExpress all the time. So apparently it's only on the app. So I'm not sure if you could see this on the screen, but the freebies, if you click freebies here on the app, and it's not available on the desktop version of AliExpress, but it's available on their app, and diamond paintings are under home. So just a warning to people who have any kids, the AliExpress app and the freebies section is not child friendly. There are some adult things on there, but you're allowed to go through the freebies and sign up for 2 a day. And I have been signing up for 2 a day. I just go on there and just find the first 2 that is entertaining, and then I put it in. And it does make it, what it does is it ends up adding that store into your favorite store, which not a big deal. I have a lot of favorite stores. So yeah, so this is actually the second freebie that I won. I actually won a freebie within like 2 weeks of me starting for my freebies. So then this is the second one. And what's funny is actually last night I actually won another one. So that will be 3 freebies since I discovered this in August. I think it was August. So yeah, this one, I guess you'll see once I open this. Okay, so I'm guessing this one is a smaller one. My previous freebie I won actually was a 40 by 40, which I was surprised. I thought I was going to get something small, like it's free. So I thought, oh, they're just going to send me like a 20 by 20 or something. But nope, my last one was actually a 40 by 40. So I was like, oh. So, let's see. So the one thing, so since I said this is a freebie, what's it called? The one thing I do remember from my last freebie is you do have to review, and the review that they ask you, and it seems like since freebies are only available on your phone or the app, you have to write a pretty long review of the freebie. Like, it's pretty extensive. They ask you like a whole bunch of questions, and then you have to have a certain amount of characters per what's it called, question, and then you have to have a picture for questions. So I'm actually probably going to do a bunch of screenshots from this unboxing. So yeah, so it's just a basic toolkit. I think this is from huacan. I can't remember which huacan store it was. There's a lot of stores that sell huacan stuff. I think this was huacan Elena. I will link this below. So yeah, so this looks like it's just a 30 by 40, and it's this cute little, like, ooh, it's sideways. It's this cute little not reindeer. I'm doing Christmas ones right now, but it's this lovely little raccoon with what's it called, succulents around it. So since I do know huacan does send just this really basic toolkit for their 30 by 40s and below, so yeah, but hey, at least they have the thin placers on this one. Those are my favorites. So yep. Okay, and huacan does just, what's it called, give all their diamonds in baggies, so I like that, because I probably won't kit this up other than in the baggies. Unfortunately, it was not in a box, so it's a little, it's a little squished, but hey, I only paid 1 cent. Oh, it's not really free if you consider that you pay, well, I paid 1 cent. I'm guessing it's just so that they could just have the transaction there, and if you could have the shipping information for them to ship it out to you. So yeah, but I'm actually surprised how many I've won already, because I only started doing the freebies in August and it's November and I've won 3 already. And I seriously just spend like less than 10 minutes on the freebie website and just apply for ones. I've only been applying for diamond paintings because I did read in their thing that you're more likely to win in categories of things that you have bought. So I've only really bought diamond painting accessory. Oh wait, that's weird. Usually huacan has like just those really thin strips, but this is a big strip. Oh, like, you know, they used to have just that little, like the little thin strips, and now I'm like, oh wow, there's, what's it called? This is a big strip. Okay. Oh yeah. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, the freebies only I read somewhere on their like fine print that they tend to only go towards people who have bought the similar type of things on the website. I could be wrong, but that's the impression I got. So I've been mostly staying with the home section where diamond paintings are in. I've only so far just won diamond paintings, and the last one I won was a diamond painting too. So it is easy to just end up applying for anything, even though you don't really like the picture. But I've been, what's it called, mainly applying for the ones that I know I'm like, okay, I like that picture enough. I'm gonna eventually do it. It's not gonna be one of those, I'm just doing it because it's free, because I do know I'm gonna have to do a really extensive, what's it called, review on it. So, and what's it called? I bet if you don't end up doing the review, you'll probably never win another one. But yeah. Okay. So yeah, it's a little, what's it called, out of shape, but I'm actually not that worried. Like, I've seen some videos where they seem to freak out so much about it. I'm like, it's fixable. So let's see, where's the top? Is that the top? Yep, that's the top. So here it is. I'm not sure how much you can see. But yeah, I'm hoping this will be a good enough size. I've found that the longer I've been diamond painting, size really does matter. So, but I think that will turn out fine. It's hard to tell. This is a square diamond painting, and true renderings, they're not perfect because, well, squares, I think it's harder to see the final picture on them because they don't have to actually match what's gonna be on the squares, because the squares should technically just cover the painting. But yeah, I think this is gonna actually turn out great. So I'm happy with that. I've been actually happy with so far of the three, what's it called, ones that I've won. I was like, okay, I'm happy I won that one. So I've been wanting to do a succulent picture in a while. I haven't done one yet, so I was like, oh, I've been wanting to do a succulent picture. So this is my succulent picture. I unfortunately will not get to diamond painting this until probably next year, just because it is the holiday season and I won't have time. But I will write my really extensive review on this. And I have had 0 problems with huacan, so yeah, I think a lot of the old timer, what they call that, diamond painters, have really trashed huacan just because they had issues in the past. And so far, every single one of the stuff, the diamond paintings I've done from huacan or their daughter stores, like I think Evershine is a daughter store of huacan, and like AZQSD is a daughter store. Either it's a daughter store or they use the same kind of material as huacan. I've had zero problems with them. My main problem with huacan really is, what's it called? Their paintings are not up to size. So let's see, I bet you this one is not really a 30 by 40. So let's see. It is 38.5 by 29.5. So that's what I've noticed. Every single diamond painting I have gotten from huacan, they are off by their, what's it called, sizes. And so it's kind of like the whole thing where, you know, what's it called, if you're in the US, where like, you know, the ice cream cartons, they used to be like 2 quarts and then now they're like 1.5 or 1.75. It's misleading how, you know, it's like they keep the same price, but they don't, what's it called? They keep the same price so that you keep coming back for it, but they make everything smaller. So that's what I think this is. Okay, so let's see. I will probably just speed this up just because this takes a while. Okay, there's 35 colors in this. I do have 35 colors. I do usually check the last color. There's 35 and it's 3848. And then let's see, let's do another one. 26 is supposed to be 938. Okay. 14 is supposed to be 720. All right. And then number 3 is supposed to be 208. Okay. Man, look at, I really, really do like the colors on this. I think this one's going to be awesome. I mean, look at these really bright colors. So I'm actually looking forward to do this one. Maybe, I don't know. I'm pondering whether to do one of those advent calendars this year, you know, where you cut your diamond painting into 24 pieces and then you diamond paint one, what's it called, one section every day. So you would start in December 1 and then go up to December 24. This one actually is small enough that I think I could kind of make that commitment, and it is such an awesome picture. So we'll see how I feel a little later on. But all right, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.